Good afternoon, fellas. Your task is to choose a screen capturing piece of software, freeware of your choice, and to mimic what I am going to do regarding this graph of uniform acceleration. And then please post that to the ESB assignment set up for that purpose. So this is a graph, as I said, of uniform acceleration. And if we're interested in the instantaneous speed at some time tx, so the speed vx, then very simply we draw a tangent line to the curve, and choosing any 2 points on that line will give us a speed value. That will be the instantaneous speed at tx. So I look forward to seeing your video.